The JEETEE Pink 3 pan set is a decent option for anyone looking to add some color to their kitchen. This set comes with 3 different sized frying pans: 8 inches, 9.5 inches, and 11 inches. The granite non-stick surface works relatively well. Food slides off easily, which makes cleaning up a breeze. The bakelite handles offer a comfortable grip and stay cool during cooking. The pans are compatible with various stovetops, including gas, electric, and induction, increasing their versatility. You don't need to worry about buying separate pans for different cooking surfaces. This set is practical for everyday cooking. The JEETEE Pink 3 pan set is designed for simple, everyday cooking. It is not meant for professional level cooking or high heat searing. The pink color is a nice touch, but it might not be for everyone. The pans are lightweight, which is good for easy handling, but they might not distribute heat as evenly as heavier pans. These pans are good for cooking eggs, pancakes, and other simple dishes. The non-stick surface helps prevent food from sticking, but it's important to use the correct utensils and avoid using metal ones, as this can damage the coating. It is easy to wash, which is helpful. For the price, the JEETEE Pink 3 pan set offers good value. You get 3 pans in different sizes, which is useful for cooking different meals. The handles are easy to grip, and the pans are relatively easy to clean. If you are looking for a basic set of frying pans, this is a reasonable choice. However, if you're a serious cook looking for high quality, durable pans, you might want to consider investing in a more expensive set. These pans are good for daily use, and they add a nice pop of color to the kitchen. Pros: quality pans, non-stick surface, easy to clean, attractive pans, durable, heavy, not flimsy, wipe clean, smooth interior, comfortable handles, great price, works beautifully. Minimizes cleanup. Cons: wood handles loosen, pans discolor, filtering reviews problem, need to tighten handles. Handles come loose, handles need frequent tightening, handles can get loose over time, possible. Handle loosening, handle tightening required, handle maintenance features. Non-stick surface, granite coating 3 pan set 8, 9.5, 11-inch sizes, bakelite handles, pink color, gas stove compatible, electric stove compatible, induction compatible, skillet set. This JEETEE frying pan set includes 3 pans in different sizes: 8, 9.5, and 11 inches, with a granite non-stick coating. The pans are pink and have bakelite handles that stay cool. They can be used on gas, electric, and induction stoves, making them versatile for different kitchens. This set provides a range of sizes for various cooking needs. The JEETEE non-stick frying pan set, featuring 8 inches, 9.5 inches, and 11 inches granite pans in pink, offers a smooth, easy to clean cooking surface and comfortable handles, working on all stovetops. While they are durable and offer great value, some users report needing to frequently tighten the handles as they can loosen over time, and a few have noticed discoloration of the pans.